Good morning, everybody. I am here at 463 Tin Horn Lane in Clarkdale in the Mountain Gate subdivision. Jessica's getting set up for the open house today from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. Come take a look at this Daybreak floor plan. It has every upgrade possibly imaginable. It's a 3-bedroom plus a den. It's got the paid-for solar, which is super important. Look at those stone countertops, luxury cabinets, all of the beautiful fixtures, soft close drawers there. It's light and bright. This one has the den option off of the kitchen and living area. In the laundry room, it has the added cabinetry. Look at the little wine fridge there. These high-end appliances are staying. And a sink in the laundry room right off the garage, super helpful. In the primary bedroom, you'll see there's tons of space and light. It's light and bright. You've got that privacy wall in the backyard. Beautiful. The barn doors, I love that. And check out this tile work in the shower and the soaking tub. And again, in the bathroom, they did not cut any corners here. That has also the stone countertops, luxury cabinetry, nice big closet. And then let's take a look. The other 2 bedrooms, I love that they're on their own separate wing of the house. Here you've got another full bathroom with the upgraded fixtures and 2 hardly ever used bedrooms. It's just a beautiful layout. The Daybreak is super popular for a reason. And let's go outside. Wait till you see the outside here. It's got an extended paver patio. This is a larger than normal lot, so they have plenty of room to add an outdoor kitchen. And there's a lot of fruit trees. This one's pomegranate. I think we've got apple, we've got pear. There's a side raised bed garden on the side yard. This water feature, the stone water feature, very relaxing and beautiful. The hot tub, that stays. It's about a year old, in great condition. Those are peaches. Check out the view from here. There's a beautiful sitting area so you can enjoy that view, and a natural gas stone fire pit there. The outdoor living here is amazing. It's a must-see. Stop by and say hi to Jessica today.